So my next stop is here at Sugbo Mercado. It's one of Cebu's most popular, probably the #1 food market. And I'm gonna try out pain with some of my Sugbo Mercado favorites. So I decided to get Jamaican patties, the original, because we're gonna make it into a pinatubo as well. I mean, hotter than pinatubo later. Next up, it's gonna be the Jamaican patties with a whole lot of pain. So I'm with Jullian, the utterly random techie, and let's see if we survive after this. If we can go to our next dish. Pain. This has been always my favorite. I mean, I like the pastry.
Yung meat.
Good meat.
Yeah. Very good.
And this one is the original, so it's not spicy. They have what they call pinatubo, which is spicy. But since we're gonna put a lot of pain tonight, we're not gonna. I didn't order that one, so this time we're gonna put some pain now. Huh?
Okay, na bitaw.
Dili kaghang?
Ha?
Dili pa kaghang?
Yeah.
Palit kang drinks, ano ron? Uy! Uy! I'm scared for him!
You know what, man?
Uy!
Okay ah.
What hangit?
Hang.
Oh no! Here comes the pain! How do you find the pain, man?
Mukatag.
Is it really painful?
Yeah, pain.
Ah, grabe yan. Grabe! It's his fault eh! I said gamay! I said just put a few. Just a few.
Pero, kaya.
Somebody's gonna ask for milk.
Yeah.
Ah, just put 2 drops. Yes. Woo. Yeah, I know already, and I didn't tell him.
Here comes the pain.
Actually, it makes it delicious, but yeah. Yeah, but yeah, the pain, you can really feel the back of the. Yeah.
It will penetrate the throat.
Yeah. Pain's good.
Pain is good. Pain is good.
Look at us. It's like we're working out. Yes. Yeah. Do you know that chilies are good for metabolism? Better than a workout. Pain. Come on. Pain. Oh.
Pain.
There's a break. We're sweating, so we're gonna have some lemonade first from Lemon Brothers. So for our next part, we'll try out chicken proven with our 100% pain sauce. So I just bought chicken proven from Roadside Seafood House for 50 pesos so that Jullian will find it taste chicken proven
With pain.
with and without pain first. How do you
Curious.
find the proven without pain? Let me, huh? So I'll try proven also without pain. Without pain. You might be wondering why the two of us are sweating. It's not because it's summer, it's because of pain. Yes. So you might be wondering, the other people here look so fresh. Us, it's like
already.
We're in Abiliana and we're doing some laps. So yeah, that's pain.
No.
So he's gonna try it now with some pain.
Pain time. Good luck to me. Nagano na sa kalit mo. Don't worry, I'm not
One day, you
No.
know better.
gani. Already had pain. I cannot experience more pain.
Hopefully tomorrow we won't have pain in the ass. Just pain in the mouth. And?
Naanad ako.
Is it better with pain?
It's better with pain, actually. timingan na ang pain na part.
Oh, someone's coughing already.
I got choked because the chicken proven when I swallowed it, there was still pain.
Although this would be the last dish with pain because we're gonna have some ice cream to finish everything off. He's spreading the pain. For now, I'm gonna have the proven with pain.
I will go with him.
Smells like,
oh shit.
smells like Jullian's wasting pain again. He deserves some punishment.
I'm gonna die. Good thing it's in the middle. So look, this is a lot of pain here.
Tomorrow I'll ask him if how's his butt.
There we go. Wow, shit.
Good luck, Jullian. So painful now. I feel like a dragon now. Can't feel my tongue. It's fire. My mouth's on fire. It's time for ice cream now.
Yes, ice cream.
So to finish up our night, because it's still spicy in our mouth, we have to have some ice cream. So we decided to have some ice cream here at Chimney Alchemy. So let's see if it's good. Let's see if it can cure all the pain. Yeah.
So sir, you will push down the ice cream inside and eat it together with the bread.
Oh, okay.
Like you eat an ice cream sandwich.
Ah, okay.
Show it to us, man.
So creative.
Thank you.
So after all the pain and suffering that we have, it's nice to cap it off with some ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah,
So good.
it's really good. Yeah, all the pain is forgotten. If you get a heartache,
Can move on.
yeah, just try to move on with some ice cream and sweets. Pretty sure, yeah, you'll forget about the pain. Like what we had. I mean,
The pain.
everyone's good, really. Yeah,
The cinnamon
yeah,
one
ice cream, the cinnamon bread.
and the topping.
I don't know, pretzels, cookies, and some stuff. Really good. So thank you for watching this first episode, day 1 of
Okay.
Kalami Vlog. It's about pain, tasting pain, and we did taste pain, and we survived.
The pain.
Yeah, so hopefully tomorrow you'll watch my next episode.
See
Hopefully
what-
there's no more pain then.
Maybe
All
there will
guys
be.
who are feeling pain right now, just eat some ice cream.